Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. How have to be? Welcome back friends. My YouTube channel at a crochet pattern. Hopefully you will be fine. Have you are spending good and lavish life. In this video I shared with you beautiful ideas that are completely different to each other. So friend, most welcome. I introduce new and great ideas that are very beautiful and are different to each other. So friends, subscribe my channel, like my ideas which I shared with you in this video, because it's a very beautiful and unique design ideas in this video I shared with you. Hopefully you will be enjoy my ideas which I shared with you in this video. So friends, don't forget to subscribe channel, and these ideas are completely compared different to each other. I hope you will be gain different knowledge criteria to watching my video. These are very beautiful and unique luxurious designs, and these are completely compatible and different to each other. Hopefully you will be gain different type of knowledge criteria, because it's very beautiful to each other and it's a very unique fundamental design ideas in this video I shared with you. I happily kissed him. You know that I played to strum earlier just and you will now beautiful creativity designs ideas, and you make your living standard better, and it's become a source to earning the money and effortlessly fabulous elegant propose ideas. And I hope you will different ideas which I shared with you in this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, like my ideas which I shared with you in this video. Hopefully like these ideas you that strong. Very beautiful design. I hope you will be enjoying my creativity ideas, because it's a very fanatically different and beautiful handbags that are very capacited and make effect to the long term lasting. So friend, move on your capacitance and give to different knowledge criteria to watch my videos, because it's a very authentic and different compatible designs. I hope you will like my ideas that are very beautiful to each other. So friend, image this video and you click on different knowledge, watch my video. It's are very beautiful and hang on ideas. I hope you will enjoy my